Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NHL 23. First, let's cover the basics. Use the left stick to skate around the ice. To shoot, flick the right stick up for a wrist shot or hold and release for a slap shot. Pass the puck to a teammate by pressing the right trigger. Switching players is easy with the left trigger, helping you stay in the play. Now, let's talk about scoring goals. Protecting the puck is crucial. Hold the A or X button to shield it from defenders. Master dekes using the right stick to fool opponents and create space. One-timers are powerful shots. Pass and immediately shoot for a quick release. Maintain offensive zone pressure to wear down the defense and generate prime scoring opportunities. Defense wins championships, so let's secure your net. Body check opponents by pressing the B or circle button to separate them from the puck. Use the right stick for precise poke checks, disrupting passes and stealing the puck. Block incoming shots by holding the right bumper, sacrificing your body for the team. You can even take control of your goalie for critical saves. To truly excel, explore advanced tactics. On power plays, move the puck swiftly to create open shots and overwhelm the defense. During penalty kills, focus on blocking passing lanes and pressuring the puck carrier. The practice mode is your best friend for honing specific skills like deking or shooting. Remember to adjust your team's strategies in-game for a tactical edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.